We just got to the hotel. We actually got an upgrade for being platinum members with IHG, and this is our room, 521. Andrea will give you a tour.
It didn't work. Oh, there it is. Okay. So the room, restroom is right behind you, Eddie. It's pretty spacious. I have a mini fridge again, microwave. And I got a king size bed.
So yeah, nothing fancy. It's a pretty spacious room because we got upgraded, but pretty central location. We can just walk to the strip pretty easily, and it was a pretty good deal considering that we got it free with points, and it's 4th of July weekend, so it's a lot busier than it normally would be. So what do you think, babe?
I like it. I like the location. It's really hot outside, so we might take a little break and then head out.
So we're at the M&M store, and this place is huge, 4 stories. It has a ton of things, M&Ms in pretty much everything. You can customize them, and Andrea is a huge fan of chocolate and M&Ms also. So this is a perfect spot for her.
What do you like more, peanut or regular?
I think it doesn't matter, and peanut and regular are fine. But this place is busy, so we're trying to find a spot where we can film and it's a little quieter. But yeah, we're here in the Vegas Strip. We will continue looking at more things and see what we can find. We're gonna go have lunch pretty soon, so we'll catch you in a bit.
Would you buy this? 30 bucks? Slot machine. M&M dispenser. So they got all these Vegas themed M&M souvenirs.
Yeah, so we're just exploring a bit. Tons of people.
These are the ones I want, the peanut. I mean, I haven't eaten M&Ms in a while. I know they had all these flavors, so.
What do you think? How they look?
They look good, but I kind of regret wearing white. You warned me, but I didn't listen. So we ordered the fajita nachos. Has marinated filet mignon, ranchero sauce, guacamole, sour cream, and pico de gallo. I don't have anything. And that was not a good one. You don't like guacamole, right? I can eat it all. You're good.
So we just finished eating. It's definitely tasty. A little pricey, but you expect that being here in Vegas. And what do you think?
It was really good. I wish the chips were a little bit crispier, but I mean, I didn't get any stains, so I'm happy.
Yeah, we'll take that as a win. So now we're just gonna walk around a bit, maybe try to get some dessert, and we'll see you there.
Lift this up.
We're here right in front of the Bellagio waiting for the fountain show, which happens every 30 minutes on the weekends.
I like this little breeze that we're having.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. During the day it was pretty warm, and yesterday was much hotter. But today it's pretty cool. And when you're on the strip, you're surrounded by these buildings, so it's pretty shaded, I think.
Are we getting dessert?
I think so. The light show just finished, or the fountain show just finished. I gotta say, it was a little underwhelming. It only lasted 2-3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes, and they didn't even finish the entire song. So maybe it looks a little better at night. Maybe it's normally longer, but at least this time it wasn't much. Yeah, don't get me wrong, it was still nice, but not what I had pictured or imagined.
I think the time it came though was good because there's still like some clouds, and so you can see the lights coming out from the fountain. But it was really short.
Yeah, but it was fine. We still enjoyed it. Okay, now we're gonna go try to find some dessert.
Confusing. Like it tastes like the cornflake milk, and then it has the chocolate sauce. It's like a salty, sweet kind of mix. Wanna try it?
Let's see, because this was a little pricey. It was a little over $8, but let's see if it was worth it. I think it's good. I mean, I like ice cream, so let me see if I get.
You like the salty and sweet combo?
Yeah, so definitely, I mean, it's cereal milk ice cream, and that's what it tastes like, but it's good. So the verdict on the ice cream is good, but it's too expensive. If you know us, you know we're pretty frugal. We don't like to spend a lot of money, or we just don't. The things we like are normally pretty simple things. So definitely recommend, but the portion is a bit small if you're gonna share it with people. But yeah, I think worth it if you have $8 for a piece of small ice cream, a cup of ice cream.
I mean, yeah, $8 for this size. That's kind of pricey. But I mean, the menu overall is kind of pricey. I think it's more about the brand, which it's a good brand.
Yeah, I mean, we saw on Chef's Table on Netflix, and we were pretty much sold that we wanted to try it. So
we're fans, but not. We're fake fans.
Frugal fans.
Wow. Like they sold us. I think if we hadn't watched the Netflix show, we probably wouldn't have eaten this.
Yeah.
It was a long line.
Yeah, it was busy, and people were ordering much more things than we did. So yeah, I mean, if you like ice cream, if you've seen the show, definitely try it. And I think it's good, but it's expensive.
Chocolate, again, my favorite. Did you see the recessed lighting?
Okay, it's been a long day in Vegas, just here in the Strip, and I think we're gonna call it quits. We're not much about nightlife, so this is as far as we'll go. And tomorrow we're waking up early so we can go somewhere else, find out in our next video. See you next time.